In this video, I'll explain how to reset your Outlook password if you've forgotten it. I recommend doing this through a web browser instead of a Windows application. So open a web browser and then go to Microsoft Outlook website, or you can just simply go ahead and search for Outlook or outlook.live.com. Open the website, then tap on sign in the top right corner of your screen. Now enter your email address in this field. You may see your email address already filled in, and if not, you can type it in the mailbox. Since you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password if there is any options. Now tap on Can't Access Your Account, or before that, you can tap on Sign In Options and you'll get 3 different options where you can use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or a security key if you have one, or you can sign in with the GitHub or sign into an organization, which means that you can search for a company or an organization where you're working with and go with any one option that you prefer. Or you can tap on Can't Access Your Account and then choose the account that you created, either work or school account or your personal account. Then enter your email address that is associated with your Outlook account. And in this step, you need to verify your identity. Tap on Get Code option and open your email address. Look for the email from Microsoft account team, and there you'll get the code. Simply go ahead and copy it, come back and paste it, and then tap on Next. Now you can go ahead and enter a new password for your account. And you can save this username and password in your browser if you want to sign in again. Then tap on Sign In again. And now you can enter your email address and your password and then log into your Microsoft or Outlook account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.